Okay, so this next one is your barbell RDL, rear leg deadlift, RDL, okay? So to start with, the times what you're doing, essentially, it's like, I'm pushing my bum to the back of the room, my legs should be basically semi-straight, not locked, but I'm coming out like this. Bum out, bum in, okay? When you do this, it's really, really important that you don't just back it up. So before I touch the bar, I want to make sure that I'm not lifting from here. It should be from my bum. So from here, I like to start on my hands on the first knurling here. This is knurling. Web of your hand on the first one. Drive up. Set your feet square. Your feet should be inside your shoulder width for this one. Okay, I like to go narrow feet. Chest is up. Shoulders are backing down. Chuck my bum to the back of the room with straight legs. And trying to go as straight as you possibly can by keeping the bar nice and close. The fundamentals you're looking to do on the first one will be for the legs. If I lock them out, I risk too much damage to my knees. If I sit into them too much, I defeat the purpose of the actual rear leg deadlift for the hamstrings. Going forward on that one, I want to make sure that my shoulders are back. If I roll them forward, I run the risk of hitting the floor too quick. Looks like this. So if I roll them forward, this is no good. Keep them out of the way. Some people tell me that they hit the floor too quick. That's probably the reason. So keep the shoulders back. Bum back to the room. Come up. When you get to the top, squeeze your bum. Keep your chin nice and low. That's your idea.